Just 3 ingredients, no complicated steps, no fancy equipment, yet these cookies are soft enough to melt in your mouth with every bite. This is not just a snack recipe, this is something you can actually turn into a selling point. Whether you're baking for your family or you're thinking of starting a small baking business, listen carefully, because recipes like this are what brings repeat customers. Simple, cost effective and beginner friendly. Stay with me till the end, because I'll be sharing all the tips that turn a basic cookie recipe into a product people will keep coming back for. Welcome back to the channel. If you love easy recipes, baking tips and food business, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Like I said, this recipe only requires just 3 ingredients, which is our all-purpose flour. We also have our icing sugar, and then we have 2 butters right there, or mayonnaise. Let's begin with the salted butter. You can use mayonnaise instead. And we have the white color unsalted butter. We are going to mix this until it gets fluffy. For the butter, use room temperature butter for a smooth creamy texture that blends well. If you don't have a hand mixer, don't worry, you can use your spatula instead. Now this is fluffy enough for us to continue with. Next, let's go in with the icing sugar. And now the all-purpose flour. The all-purpose flour will be added cup by cup. If you are making a lighter cookies whereby you're using the piping bag, then this texture is enough. But if you are making a dough just like the one we are making today, then we need to continue adding the flour cup after cup. We still have about 2 more cups to go. Please don't forget to check the description box for the full recipe as well. And here is a tip: don't overmix the dough. Once it comes together, stop mixing or the cookies may turn hard. Now this is it. This is the texture we want for this recipe. Chill the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge so that cookies hold shape and don't spread too much. This is after 15 minutes of chilling the dough. Now it is time to form into shape. This recipe is just one out of 100 cookie recipes inside my cookies cookbook. If you want more varieties to bake for fun, family, or sell, check the description box and grab your copy. Now let's top this up with some sweets. Note, you can use any topping of your choice, but I decided to use the sweet topping. What will you be topping your cookies with? Kindly let us know in the comment section. Now onto the next, which is the strawberry melt in your mouth cookies. Same ingredients, same method, just that after forming your dough, you then go in with the strawberry flavor, which is that we just added there, and then the baby pink color or the pink color. Mix this as well, and don't forget not to mix it for too long. And we have a tip for this strawberry flavor cookies. Do not add much strawberry flavor so that it won't overpower the butter taste. And this is exactly what we wanted. Look at that beautiful looking pink dough. Now let's form our cookie shape. If you love learning profitable skills, I have a collection of ebooks and online classes covering baking, cooking, tigernut drink, healthy beverages, hair treatment, and face and skin care recipes. These are practical recipes and methods you can use for yourself or turn into a business. It also has meal plans and more. Check the description box below to get the link now. You can use any color of sweet topping. And now it is time to bake. Bake on low medium heat so the cookies cook evenly without drying up. Once you begin to see a golden color at the tip of the cookies, just gradually, then bring it out immediately because it keeps on cooking so as not to get your cookies burnt. Also, let them cool on the tray rack first before moving so they don't break. Now look at this texture, soft, light and perfect. This is exactly the kind of cookie people don't forget. And here are the tips you need for selling if you're considering to start a business from cookies. First of all, consistency is the key. Make every batch look the same for customers. Here is another one. These cookies are great for small chops, boxes, birthdays and gift packs, so you can consider that. Here is another one. Always package neatly because people buy with their eyes first. And here we have a packaging idea. Let's continue with the business tips. This recipes is cheap to make but can be sold as a premium bakery style cookies. Like I said earlier, you can add this to small chop boxes, birthday boxes, gift pack and more. If you are interested in learning more profitable recipes and skills from baking, drinks to hair care and skincare, check out my cookbook, ebook and my online classes in the description box below. Your next income stream could start with just one skill. If you enjoy this recipe, don't just watch and leave it there. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more simple baking recipes that you can turn into business. Also share with your friends and loved ones and comment cookie if you want me to drop more 3-ingredient profitable recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on our displayed social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.